Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is another New Jersey Lottery Showdown Challenge battle with Nightingale Scratcher. Today we are doing Win for Life. We are doing 5 Win for Life. I got 5 in a row from the same pack. Tickets 68 through 72. 68 through 72. And let's see if we can get a win. For me, I'd like to at least win one of these battles against Nightingale. Nightingale Scratcher won the first 2, and the second one, she won pretty good. Got a big profit, so I am aiming to win this battle, hopefully. We have a $15 session and we are doing Win for Life. It's a $3 ticket. Went up to $5,000 a month for life. And it's a matching number game. And you can reveal 10x to win 10 times the price shown. Not a big ticket, but hey, you never know. Alright, so good luck to you, Nightingale Scratcher, and hopefully I can get something back at least. At least $3, hopefully. Alright. We use Sun City Scratchers coin for the first ticket. Here we go. We need a 15, a 24, and a 33. Nothing yet. 15, 24. Next ticket, 69. I'm gonna use Howard Max coin. Winning numbers are 20, 32, and 5. 20, 32, and 5. Nothing on the first row. Looking for the 10x for sure. 20, 32, and a 5. That's right. No for 2. Not looking good. Ticket 70. Let's use Fancy Nancy Scratcher's coin. Need a 7, 19, and a 37. 7, 19, 37. Come on, where's the win? 19, 0 for 3. Sheesh. Next, 2 more tickets. Ticket 71, we're gonna use the Jedi Trap coin. I have number 55. And this time we need 26, 25, and a 3. Jedi 25. Alright, last row. Wow, 0 for 4. Okay. Last chance. Last chance. I'm sure Nightingale already won the battle on the first ticket. Let's go with Chasing Clamour's coin for the last ticket. Wish me luck. 24, 17, 34, Nope. Last row. Last chance for me. Alright. So, no win for me, unfortunately. So I'm guessing the people that bought these tickets before me probably gonna win. Alright. So good luck to Nightingale Scratcher. Thank you guys for watching. Please go check out, see if Nightingale won, and I'm pretty sure Nightingale won something. Alright. Take care, guys.